Here is another interesting one to the previous one we just solved now. So here, to solve for the value of x in this one, we have solution. So from 5 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x multiplied by 13 to the power of x equal to 1000. Now, let's rearrange the left hand side in the order of size. We have 2 to the power of x multiplied by 5 to the power of x multiplied by 13 to the power of x equal to 1000. Then let's bring out the exponent and multiply the bases together. So we have 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 13. Then we have to the power of x, and everything equal to 1000. So if we multiply what we have in the bracket, we have that to be 130 to the power of x equal to 1000. Now we need to take the log of both left and right, left hand side and the right hand side. Log of 130 to the power of x equal to log of 1000. Now we bring out the x from the exponent down to the base. So we have x log of 130 equal to log of 1000. We make x the subject of the formula in order to find the value of x. So we have, and to do that we need to divide. To do that we need to divide both sides by log 130 in order to isolate x. Then we now solve for x. So we have, if we do that, we now, the left hand side becomes x equal to log 1000 over log 130. Now we need to simplify the right hand side. So to do that we have x to be equal to log 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 will be equal to log 1000 over log 130 can also be simplified as 13 multiplied by 10. Now here we can simplify this considering the log identity. So, and that becomes x be equal to log 10 plus log 10 plus log 10 over log 13 plus log 10. And we know that this expression are of log base 10. So if we have log of base 10, that is, if we have log of base 10, 10, it will be given as 1. Okay? Just as if we have log of base A is also given as 1. So this implies that the numerator and the denominator, where we have log 10, will be equal to 1. So the x will now become equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 from the numerator. Then denominator becomes log 13 plus 1. Now we have that to be equal to 3. If we add the whole of the numerator, we have 3 over log 13 plus 1. Now we simplify this. We need to find log 13 with our calculator. So if we input that, we are going to have x to be equal to 3 over 1.1139 plus 1, and this will be approximately given as 3 over 2.1139. If we divide the whole of this, we have x to be approximately given as 1.4192 as the value of x. So we check for this value from our question. That implies 5 to the power of x multiplied by 2 to the power of x multiplied by 13 to the power of x is given as 1000. So simplifying the whole of this give us 130 to the power of x equal to 1000. So if we insert the value of x over here, our value of x, if we insert this value into this part, so we have 130 to the power of 1.4192 equal to 1000. And if we resolve this from our calculator, we are also going to arrive at 1000 equal to 1000, which implies our LHS is equal to RHS, the right hand side. Thanks for watching. Continue with the next one and continue to improve your skills. Please don't forget, if you have found value in this video, do like, share, subscribe to the channel.